Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Let's go, baby boss. Hi, baby boss. Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. So, next stop is the hospital. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup. Let's go get a... Measuring weight and height. Mew Mew's weight, 14 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Mew Mew's height, 83 centimeters. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number.
Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. All correct. You have very good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound? No, listen again. Rooster. Bird. Puppy. ECG measurement. Sort them by color.
Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.